Database error, current transaction is aborted, commands ignored until end of transaction block. I got a lot of errors with the message. After change from Python Sciccup to Python Sciccup 2 is Django project's database engine. The code remains the same, just don't know where those errors are from.
This is what Postgre does when a query produces an error and you try to run another query without first rolling back the transaction. You might think of it as a safety feature, to keep you from corrupting your data. To fix this, you'll want to figure out where in the code that bad query is being executed. It might be helpful to use the log underscore statement and log underscore min underscore error underscore statement options in your PostgreSQL server.
To get rid of the error, roll back the last erroneous transaction after you fixed your code. You can use try except to prevent the error from occurring. Refer Django documentation.
In Flask you just need to write PS documentation goes here, this URL.
So, I ran into this same issue. The problem I was having here was that my database wasn't properly synced. Simple problems always seem to cause the most angst. To sync your Django DB, from within your app directory, within terminal, type edit. Note that if you are using Django South, running the $python manage.pymigrate command may also resolve this issue. Happy coding!
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.